We don't tell you how to do it.
But you know what? It might be in time because one of the cams slipped. One of the things with these is these cams, as we're putting the chains on,
It's very simple.
they're loaded on the top of the piston. Okay, so if you move them, you have a chance of moving them out of position, and they have to be reoriented. Okay, so this is a timing mark here on this. This is actually, we call this the right hand, and this is the left hand. We start with the yellow timing mark there. We have one brass timing mark there, and it comes down onto the crank sprocket with the double brass sitting in between the dot. And if you get it all twisted up, you got less than 5 seconds to get it undone.
That's made that yellow first.
No, but this is, you'll see it's there and over there it's the same. We have different transitions. You can't use necessarily the flex when you drive. So we use this. Like crib has basically this is folded up.
And this is what I tell all the guys that we have to train over here. If you treat it like a woman, nice and gentle, it'll go on nice and easy. But if you struggle with it, that's right.
We use that to turn in all our testing.
It might be off because I was fuller with it, so.
Want to go back and look at my share everything?
Is it a little short?
Put it right in the center. Yep. Now pull it just a little bit. Just a little bit. Try to towards you. Towards you. That's it. That's it. Now, put on the other banana clip. Banana guy.
It's actually a chain guide. We call it the banana clip because it looks like a banana.
But a person puts all this stuff on.
We put the entire kit on. This is the timing area, so right here it starts off with the kit. These are the sub-tensioners for the TI-VCT and also the TI-GTDIs. Okay, these are the sub-tensioners. The next thing that goes on is this right-hand timing chain guide. And then the VCTs get put on. Then this gets put on. These are for the actuators. Then the left-hand side chain guide gets put on. And we put that on loosely so then you can get your chain on. And the last thing to go on is this, because obviously that tension puts the tension on the chain. And then, like they said, that whatever has not been torqued down to specs.